Chameleons are a distinctive and highly specialized clade of Old World lizards with more than 200 species described as of June 2015. The members of this family are best known for their distinct range of colors, being capable of shifting to different hues and degrees of brightness. This are fascinating facts of chameleons. There are more than 200 chameleon species. Nearly two-thirds of all chameleon species are found in Madagascar, off the southeastern coast of Africa. There are 200 species of chameleons, as well as an additional 23 subspecies, according to the taxonomic checklist of chameleons published in 2015 in the journal Vertebrate Zoology. The authors point out that 44 new species have been described and many species have been elevated from subspecies rank since the last checklist was published in 1997. In addition, some species were resurrected from synonymy as they had been grouped with other species, but have since been found to be separate species. Chameleons come in a wide range of sizes. One of the largest chameleons is the Parsons chameleon. Found only on the eastern side of Madagascar, it can grow more than 60 centimeters long. Part of its length is due to its long snout, which can be about 20 to 30 centimeters of its body size. Believed to be the world's tiniest chameleon, Brucasia micra can fit on the tip of a match. Found only on a tiny islet near Madagascar and described for the first time in 2012. A male B micra is about 30 millimeters from nose to tail and only about 0.16 millimeters from nose to bottom. They use their toes and tails to get around. Chameleons rely on their toes and tails to help them navigate the trees and bushes where they live. Like most lizards, chameleons have 5 toes. But chameleons have their space differently on their front feet. The 2 outside toes are in one configuration, with the 3 inside toes in another group. The toes on the back feet are in the opposite combination. They use these toe groups like thumbs and fingers to grasp branches when they move. Most chameleons also have prehensile tails, which they can use to hold onto objects like limbs to help them as they climb. Unlike many lizards that can regrow a broken tail, chameleons aren't able to regrow a tail if they are injured. Chameleons don't change colors to camouflage themselves. It's a common misconception that chameleons change colors in order to blend in with their backgrounds. A chameleon's natural coloring already blends very well with its natural habitat. Most chameleons are already the colors of leaves, bark, branches, or sand. Instead, research suggests they change color because of their mood and social interactions. A 2015 study found that crystal-like cells in their skin called iridophores reflect and absorb all colors of light. Males will turn bright colors to try to impress females during courtship or to warn off other males in a display of aggression. Some research also suggests that chameleons may change colors to regulate their body temperature. A 2016 study found that bearded dragons change their color based on their body temperature. Because chameleons are also ectotherms that can't retain body heat, it's likely that becoming darker helps them stay warm, and becoming lighter helps them cool off. They have panoramic vision. Chameleons' eyes are unique among reptiles. They have scaly cone-shaped eyelids with very small, round openings for their pupils. Chameleons can rotate each eye separately to focus onto different things at once. It's long been believed that their eyes work independently, so chameleons have a panoramic view of the environment around them. In a 2015 study, researchers found that the eye movements of a chameleon aren't truly independent. Researchers found that there is some communication between the eyes and they go back and forth between divergent and binocular vision. They have sticky, speedy tongues. A chameleon's tongue is about twice as long as its body. When it sees an insect that looks like a tasty meal, the chameleon unfurls its sticky tongue with such speed that the insect is utterly caught off guard as it's captured. According to a 2016 study, the chameleon's tongue unfurls with lightning-fast recoil, thanks to the force by which it releases its tongue muscles. Researchers analyzed high-speed video of dozens of chameleons eating insects. The tongue of the Rhampholion spinosus produced a peak acceleration 264 times greater than the acceleration due to gravity. National Geographic explains that if it were a car, the chameleon's tongue could accelerate from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in a mere 1 to 100th of a second. Some chameleons are endangered. according to the IUCN's Red List. Many species of chameleons are endangered. The Colomatazan and the bizarre-nosed chameleon in Madagascar are both critically endangered due to threats like mining, logging, and agricultural use of land. The tiger chameleon in the Seychelles, the giant East Usambara blade-horned chameleon in Tanzania, and Deccary's leaf chameleon in Madagascar are all endangered. Other species, like the veiled chameleon and the Mediterranean chameleon, are classified as species of least concern. They are not facing many threats and their population numbers are stable.
Thanks for watching. If you like the content of this video, click the thumb, share the video, subscribe to our channel and press notification bell for other videos with content like this. Let us know if there is anything you want to know in greater details. See you next time.